Static images are okay, but video is so much more engaging. It's the best way to grab attention. Stick around and I'll show you how. Hi, I'm Faria, a product designer here at Canva. I'm super excited to show you how to make video collages on your desktop or mobile, meaning you can create wherever you are when the inspiration strikes. Oh, great question! A video collage combines multiple video clips or a blend of videos and images into one single social post, offering a creative way to share more content, narrate a story, or highlight various viewpoints of an event or subject. Commonly utilized on platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok for personal, business, or promotional activities. Video collages provide a richer narrative compared to static images. And by conveying more information, they engage audiences longer and more effectively. Plus, they're more likely to share video with a friend or colleague. Some reports suggest up to 1200% more likely than text and images combined. Look at that number! Why would you not make videos for your brand? In Canva, it's incredibly easy. Let me show you how. I'm going to create a collage for my Airbnb posting. The easiest way to begin is with a template. Look at the variation available. From scrapbook aesthetics to grid layouts, you have a lot of options here. Click on anything you like to see a larger preview. This one is for a wedding, but I like that it's got some extra space above and below. Perfect for some catchy text. Hit Customize and it'll open in the editor. Now, before you close this design tab, have a quick look and see if there is any other inspiration. I like this type. Create an extra page like this. Tap the template and it'll appear in your document. Now, you can copy and paste what you like. And then just delete the page after you have plundered it. We'll scroll, but trust me, no templates were harmed in the filming of this tutorial. Next, we need to insert our video. Let's just assume I have wandered around my house and shot various videos on my phone. Using the Canva mobile app, I can just pick up from where I left off. Isn't that awesome? I can tap on the video and select Replace and choose one of the videos I have just taken. Do that for the rest. Tap the text and hit Edit. Change the background color here. These graphics don't make much sense. Now, it's not a wedding, so I'm searching for something more appropriate in this huge element library. Yep, that'll work. At any time, I can hit this play button and watch what I've created. Oh, nice! This text has got an animation on it already. To adjust that, just head here and choose a different one. Now, I'll make an additional page here. This is where I'll add the contact details. I can add a transition like this, something similar to the text animation. And this is feeling pretty good. One more quick watch. Yep, nice. To download this, I can just go here and select MP4. Or even easier, go here and you can choose to upload direct to Instagram, Facebook, or wherever you want to share it. Alternatively, you can also create a public view link here. This will create a link that anyone can see, wherever they are and on whatever device, no sign-in needed. Isn't that easy? I think the fact that you can move between desktop and mobile makes it so much easier to work how and where you want. Let me show another example where the flexibility really helps. Let's begin on the desktop. This time, I'm going to create a beauty tutorial, perfect for health and wellness products and brands. I have created a blank Instagram story, but you could choose any platform. Upload and drag in your first video. Choose See Pages and change to the duration view so the timeline shows. Now we can control length and placement by dragging the clips. And because this is the product using lavender, I want to evoke the smell and the peace of a field of flowers. Wow, look at all these options. Oh, perfect! I'll also add another video here that shows how much of the product to use. Now, I'll check the timing of these individual clips and adjust the timeline to match the smallest. That way, I won't get any repeating videos. In this single frame, I'm conveying multiple messages about the product's natural quality, its application method, and the sensation it provides on the skin. That's the power of video collage, a more comprehensive story with multiple perspectives. And because it's a video file, we can also communicate via voiceovers and music. Before I show you that, if you're enjoying this, you should check out our tips from the team playlist and subscribe while you're there. This is an easy way to enhance your Canva design skills with weekly tips and tricks taught by Canva insiders like me. In fact, this video could be a good one to watch after this. Okay, back in our beauty collage. I have added a few extra clips so you can see what a finished product might look like. Open up the elements, search for the style you're looking for, choose audio. Tap the play button and you will get a preview. If you want only free tracks, go to the filter button here. When you find what you're looking for, tap the name and it'll appear in the timeline. Move it around, go into Effects to add a fade in or fade out. And then, if you want it really sound and look professional, hit Beat Sync. This will tee up your page and element animations so they're perfectly in time with the music. Isn't that great? Okay, let's do one final watch. Nice! Just like before, download and share your creation with your audience here. I'm really thrilled with the results, and it took very little time to create. So that's how you create dynamic video collages. You can truly elevate your storytelling on social media, making your content more engaging and impactful. I hope this tutorial was helpful and inspired you to experiment with your own creations. If you have any questions or feedback, we'd appreciate hearing from you. Please leave your comments below and we'll respond as soon as we can. Oh, hello there! You're still here watching? Awesome! Seeking more content? We recommend browsing through our playlist. It's packed with valuable insights. Speaking of which, this video might be particularly beneficial for you at this point. Until next time, happy creating!